Now that I have figured out how to run both units off of one pedal, I was going to make this video to show you guys what I'm doing. So first thing I did was I split my signal. So this is the input, and then it goes to this splitter, and there's a left and a right, and those go into the effects return of each unit. So for my patches, so this is like my bass patch, and so I have, you can see I have a chorus and a pitch shift and then a delay, and these are open for future use. And then that's on the A side, and then on the B side, this one's open. I have another pitch shift and then my delay, and I have another really short, like 5 millisecond delay just to give it width. And then I'm also using the whammy pedal here for a pitch shift. So the magic is in the utility settings. So the program 1 will pull up this bass and then also pull up the bass on the other side, because it's mapped that user 1 will transmit user 1, user 2 will transmit MIDI 2, and so on. And then to assign the parameters, what I did was I took foot switch 6 through 10 and gave them CC numbers 6 through 10, just for make it easy on my brain. So here you'll see that effect. Let's do this one first. So you have the analog delay, which is effect 3. So we'll go over here to how it's assigned. It's assigned effect foot switch 8. So foot switch 8 will turn this one off and on, but it also sends CC number 8. So on my B unit, I have my delay, and it is set to receive CC8, and so I can turn it on and off with one switch. The other thing, and you have to do this for each bank. So like if I go up to bank 2, it pulls a different user patch, but the CC numbers have been programmed the same for pedals 6 through 10. The other thing that I did was on my expression pedal, it sends CC number 20. And so what that allows me to do is over here, when I use the expression pedal on patch B, I assigned it to the whammy. And you can see that here. So it turns the effect off and on. And then the additional thing that I did was I used the dry level here. So the dry level is also linked, so that when it is off, I have 100%. When it's off, it's 100%, but when it's on, the dry level is completely off. And so this way I have a true sound, stereo sound. I have one pitch coming off of one side and the original pitch coming off of the other. The other thing that I do on B is I use this for my channel switching. So for me, my dirty channel is on MIDI channel 30. So all my patches that use a dirty channel are set to 30, and then 5 is my clean channel, and so I set that to 10 here. And so it does all my channel switching for me also. These ones are set to off, and I think that's it. But what this enables me to do is, one, so like this delay here is 350 milliseconds, but the delay on A is 500 milliseconds. And since I play in a trio and we want a really wide spread, this is a really nice way of getting the delays on either side. And it also works the same for the pitch shift. So like this one, I'll do the pitch shift and I'll give it, 75% when it comes on. But on the other side, it gets 100% dry signal. But when I turn it on, it does that thing where it's 100% dry when it's off, and then the dry signal gets turned off. So all you hear is that pitch shift. So it sounds like two guitars, even though it's only one. Anyway, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, go ahead and throw them in the chat.